All right, y'all, part 3. Messed around. I mean, just looking from here, it looks better, doesn't it? I mean, it's all blue now, so you can't tell me that don't make a difference. It looks different to me. I even hemming and hawing about cutting little pieces and filling all this back in. You know, maybe cutting a piece to go on here after we put that. You know, because I just got done doing this bit in the front. You know, because it was all white across here, a good 3/16 or more, almost 3/8 of an inch there, and that looks better, right? So and you know, I know it's just stickers, and it's gonna get, you know, the whole thing, it's gonna get beat up, but it's mine, man, and I want it to look good. I want to look good, so I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do that. I'll probably cut another. Say maybe 1/2 inch piece that tapers down, and try to maybe fill that in. I don't know. It's on the ground. Maybe you're gonna see it. Maybe we do that later on, you know, down the road somewheres. But for now, I think we're good. Obviously, we got some sin up here that we need to fix with a sticker. So we've got a ton of them. We'll just pick something out, something that fits and looks right there, and we'll go ahead and stick it on. And yeah, that's it. We'll start working on it from here. But just wanted you to get a good look at what it looks like before I start putting all the stickers on. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with this now, especially from, say, this position. Looks pretty good. So all right, gonna get busy. More to come.